can all agree that this has been a year like no other. We've done a lot of professional development to prepare for teaching virtually, but have you met your own professional development needs? And by this, I mean professional development for recertification or to advance to the next salary step. Hi, I'm Leticia Barr, the founder of TechSavvyMama.com, where I've been writing about technology, education, and parenting since 2008. I'm the mom of 2 high schoolers and a middle school computer science teacher. Last year, I unexpectedly returned to the classroom to teach middle school computer science, and I was an elementary school teacher before. So I found that there were courses that I needed to take to re-up my certification, and there were also required district compliance trainings. As a new teacher or just a teacher who has a lot on their plate, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But I came up with a plan to meet my own professional development needs. So I'm here today to share 3 things to think about in planning your own professional development. The first thing is start by looking at what is offered by your own school system. I quickly discovered that our school system uses PowerSchool, and the teacher portal was really useful in filtering out courses that met my needs as a new middle school computer science teacher. It allowed me to choose between synchronous and asynchronous trainings, to find courses for continuing professional development credit quickly, and it also made it really easy to find what I needed for my own professional growth, my first year of teaching, and then now also as we're in this virtual school model. The second tip I have for you is to rely on your professional learning network for advice about graduate level courses. We know not all classes are the same, so rely on colleagues at your school, former staff that you've worked with. Ask around in Facebook groups about courses that others have enjoyed. The great thing about teachers is that we're always willing to help each other. The final thing is sign up with a colleague so you have an accountability partner. Things are always better when done with a friend. So make your own cohort by signing up with a friend, a colleague, or even a grade level or department team if you all need to take the same trainings together. It helps to have people to check in with to keep you going, and you can discuss assignments together. So don't let your professional development needs fall by the wayside during this busy year. Make a plan to keep that certification active and reach that next salary step.